Hey, Mr. G, and I'm going to show you a really cool A7 alternative open chord. Now remember, a seventh chord or dominant seventh chord is made up of your first, third, fifth, and seventh flatted. So for A7, that would be A, C sharp, E, and then just G. So this chord here is a great open chord to play, great alternative open chord. And let me show you what it looks like and how to play it, okay? So this is what it looks like and sounds like. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to play that sixth string open. And that's an E note. And then on the fifth string, I'm going to play that A note open. Then I'm going to place my little finger here on the fourth string of the 11th fret. And this is the C sharp note. So let's play that note. Then I'm going to place my middle finger on the E note. And the E note is on the third string, 9th fret. And then I'm going to place my index finger on the G note, which is the second string, 8th fret. And I'm going to play that first string open, that open E. Then when I pull it all together, it sounds and looks like this. Really fun A7 alternative open chord. Add it to your routine, especially for the blues. Seventh notes are a lot of fun, and A7 is a popular chord for that. So add that to the mix. Again, check out my other videos on alternative open chords and keep on jamming.